Has this ever happened to you that you're talking to somebody and suddenly they drop this jargon bomb? Blockchain, Bitcoin, altcoins, cryptocurrencies, tokens, DeFi, decentralization, and you're like, phew, what the fuck is blockchain? I know Bitcoin, but that is investment, that is going money. But what about altcoins? How do I talk to this guy? How do I carry on the conversation? If this is you, then let me help you, my friend, to decrypt these jargon words and make you 2% smarter. So let's go. Let's start with the big fish, the blockchain technology. So in every part of the world, cryptocurrencies are being discouraged by the governments, but blockchain technology are being encouraged. Let me tell you why. Let me explain you blockchain in a simple way, or maybe read it. So let's go. So blockchain technology is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack or cheat the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital record or register of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems. So instead of one central authority, it is managed and run by the network of computers collectively, which is known as decentralization. So in decentralization, there won't be any centralized authority to control and hold power over data and information and other assets. Now just imagine how blockchain technology with decentralization can change industries and the way world functions. You name it, finance, medical, supply chain, voting. This can change the whole system for better. Let's go to the third thing, that is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are a form of digital or virtual currency that run on a technology known as blockchain, as we discussed. Cryptocurrency got its name from cryptography because it uses encryption to verify transactions. So in a market of more than thousands of cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Dogecoin and so on, one rule, can you guess it? Bitcoin. Another is token. Token is a form of cryptocurrency that requires another platform such as Ethereum to exist and operate. They use a third-party technology to develop their coins. So what is the difference between a token or a coin? A coin has its own platform to work and operate, but a token uses another's platform to work and operate. That is the whole difference and only difference. So let's continue with fourth thing, that is wallet. What is a wallet? A crypto wallet is a place where you can securely keep your crypto and transfer currencies by providing the wallet address. Side note, every wallet has a private key, more like a password, which you have to keep it secure, because if you forget your wallet password, then there is no way you can access your cryptocurrency and it's all gone. Okay, now let's go to altcoins. So all the cryptocurrencies which are not Bitcoin are called altcoins. So let's go to the mining. Mining means solving complex math problems through the use of the computers. This process involves validating data blocks and adding transaction records to a public record known as blockchain. And once it is done, then you are rewarded with a cryptocurrency. So that's it, folks. Now you are 2% smarter and you can just show this off to your friends by talking about these terms, and you'll be called an intellectual and a person who is prepared for the future. That's it, guys. Bye.